many people, they are knowledgeable, but they have the lots of proud inside them. When they just talk to uneducated people, when they just talk about the less educated people, means that like they have the knowledge, but they have the less knowledge. But in front of them, they just show their knowledge like they have the lots of knowledge, and this gives the that particular person that we have the lack of knowledge, and that they are just getting their confidence loose, and they just think that like I'm just feeling the low confidence. And this is the reason people, when they are just getting education, when they are the educated, so they have to understand this education is not to just defame, to just make the low confidence to someone else. This education is that you have to give the strength to your society. You have to give the strength to those people who are not equal to them, who are not able to getting the education like you have got the education in this society, where you have the resources, where you have got all the things which from that particular person is deprived, and that's why they have to support them. They have to just induct them so that they can also achieve this education. They can also get the knowledge from them. And now this time, our lots of societies people, we have seen many people, they are getting education, they are becoming the professor, they are becoming the doctors, they are becoming the engineers, they are becoming the teachers, and they are becoming the like Air Force officers and all IAS officers, IPS officers. But still, when just we talk, so out of the 100%, like 2-3% we just get they are the humble kind, and they have the like good nature. They understand if something they don't have something like the knowledge and all, so because of some reason, and they try to just give them like strength to them to just achieve that particular thing. But many other, like out of the 2%, like 98% most of the people, when they are educated, so they just misuse their education, and this is the bad thing. The society, they have to understand, and society also supports to that particular person who is the 98%. What they think, like someone he defame to that particular person who have not the much knowledge and all. So in that time society also says like that particular person, he has very much knowledge and he defamed that. But they don't understand the psychology of that thing if he is defaming. So what is the need of that education? Because education which tells that you don't have to harm anyone. You don't have to just hit to anyone. You don't have to give the heart. You don't have to break the heart of someone. Because education gives, you have to respect, you have to give the strength, you have to humble to that particular person. So if education now at this time is doing such kind of things, so well, according to me, this education is not good for the society. One day this education will destroy the society, and now at this time this is destroying also. Because now at this time what is going on, people, they are compared to someone else. They are just doing the, competition between one to another person. Now this time what is going on in our society, in our education system? People, they are competitive. Yeah, competition is good, but actually not every field. Like if the competition is increased, so it makes the students their strength, like they are much capable. They have to be the capable to achieve that particular job or particular things or particular profession. So it is also good, but comparison and the competition, because of this competition, many people, they are the victim of the depression. Where like this taking the society in the darkness, they are just taking the society. So we have to understand, like the parents, they have to understand still that, because parents, what they do, they just pressure, they give the pressure to their child and all. So they have to understand, they don't have to give the pressure to their child, because if they will just give the pressure, so that child will not grow. They will lose their confidence and he will not achieve that particular thing, whatever he want to achieve. Like if we talk about the very famous Thomas Alva Edison, we have all heard about the biography of the Thomas Alva Edison, where the Thomas Alva Edison, he was very weak student. He was not very much intelligent and all, according to the academic students who just go into this course. But what we have got from that, like after this kind of knowledge, like whatever, he is not very much intelligent, he is the weak student, but still Like his mother, she supported to him. And now this time we know like Thomas Alva Edison, he is a very great scientist. And many people they understand failure is just like a stingy. It is just like a paint on the society, paint on that particular person. Because somebody if they fail, so people understand this person is failed. They are the loser. They don't have to do. They can't do anything. But still, like many failures, if I just raise the question of the Thomas Alva Edison, I'm just talking about the Thomas Alva Edison. So one story that is very much popular and very much famous, and you all know about that. That is the Thomas Alva Edison. He just failed the 999 times, and after the 1,000 times, he just successful. And now this time we have just found the bulb where we just got at the night time. We just studied because of the Thomas Alva Edison. Because in the previous time, in the past time, if we talk about, so many students, they are not able to do the study at the night time. Because in that time the darkness happens. And the lamp, the candles that much sufficient to just give them the education at the dark, at the night. So this is the good thing and this is the great invention which is created by the Thomas Alva Edison. And Thomas Alva Edison, he was not successful in his early age, but his mother, she supported to him, and now in this time he is a great scientist. And now in this time people give the example of the Thomas Alva Edison, and he is the example. So that's why the parents they also have to give the support to their child, so that they can also be a great person. They can also do many things for the society and all, but they don't have to just degrade, they don't have to demotivate it to them. Like if I just talk about my family, like where my father, he is a very much supported to me. Like whenever I just get the demotivated by anyone else, so in that time he just get to motivate me, and because of this, like he just tells the failure is nothing. You can achieve the success. One day you will get the success, and this is the reality. When the failures, there is the success is available. There the rays of the success is available where the failures, darkness are available. So don't you have to demotivate it. In that time he give me the lots of stories and all, which makes to me like so motivated, and after that I just feel the confident and all. And whatever now in this time, so because of my father, because of this, like my mother, she also supported me, like where at the time of girls they have to do the domestic household work, so in that time she just supported me alone, and in that time she gave me the time to study and all. And sometimes like my brothers, they also helped me a lot. Like my younger brother, he also supported me. Sometimes he teased to me and he gives us some challenges kind of words, and he just irritate me, so that from that particular thing I just try to just make myself better. So this is the good thing. Like I have just quoted yesterday, I have just read the one quote which is so good, that says that when the challenges happen, so in that time you can change yourself. So suppose that if someone who is giving the like challenge to you, someone who is irritating to you, so in that time you have to understand that is the opportunity, that is the one hope where you can just get the success. Okay, so you can change yourself. So this is the challenge we have to take as an opportunity in the positive way, not the negative way. So like my younger brother, he also, and one of my younger brother, from younger brother to younger brother, so he also helps me. Like he gives something very interesting kind of questions. His mind is very innovative kind of mind. Like he's not very much like he not a bookworm. He doesn't study the book very well, like deeply and all. But his question arises around us, like in our surrounding, what is going on. From that particular things, he just raise the question. And this is the thing. If you want to get the education, so you have to raise the question. If you are not raising the question, that means you are not learning anything. For learning anything, you have to raise the question. Suppose that if like now this time many students who gave us like speech and all, in that time those students they raise the question to their families that I want to learn this thing. I want to learn this thing. So this is the question, that why can't I learn to spoken English, because many people, many other peoples, many foreigners, they are speaking the English. How they can speak? Like if that is not the possible that they are native English, so they are speaking. Like many people, they are also they can speak, so they have to be the confident. They have to think that for learning anything we have to raise the question. First thing that, and second thing, we have to like increase our confidence, and from where we can just increase our confidence, our surrounding, because in our surrounding many negative peoples are available, so we have to just avoid to them. Not avoid by saying too bad words to them, but we have to avoid. We don't have to meet too very much. Okay, now this time, because the negative, from the negativity, again you will just get the negative things. So the negativity plus negative things, so always it makes the negativity. So the whole society will also the victim of the negatives. So you have to just understand the negatives, we have to just remove it, and we have to just get the confidence by our positiveness. Because of our positiveness we can change the world. And now this time, whatever the world is very innovative, worlds are getting the technologies and all, world where we have seen lots of buildings that is created, lots of monuments, lots of historical places, as well as lots of things which is the resources we are getting now in this time, because of our confidence, because of our positiveness. Because those people, if they haven't positive, so how can they make the whole world? So the whole world is based on, that is the standing on the your confidence as well as your positiveness and your hope. If you have hope, so then definitely you can change the world. So this is the thing which I have to just tell each and everyone. The students as well as their parents, they have to understand, they have to support them. Sometimes students, they also have to support their parents. Sometimes in the frustration they say something to you, so you also have to understand. And like now this time these are frustrated, so we have to just keep silent, and after that we can just talk to them. Then like after that the solution and many things we can just get from that, because they are the more experienced from us. Okay, so this is the thing, like education not is just for getting the knowledge, not for just making the name and fame, but it's just make the good human. Suppose that if you are the good human, that means you are the educated person. There is no need to just tell you everything, because I have seen in the schools what is going on. The students, they are more superior than the teachers. What they do, like they say to anything to the teachers, they understand the teacher is, they don't know nothing, but actually they know everything. But they are just giving you the chance, they are giving you the time, so that you can just hold yourself, you can just control yourself, because the control, tolerance is very important. Where the Helen Keller, she said that like the education main purpose is that the tolerance. If you have the tolerance, definitely you can just get the education more and more. Okay, for getting something you have to be silent, you have to be tolerated, so that you can just achieve that. Like many in the world, like who is the successful in this world, so because of their tolerance, because of their silence, they are just standing on the successful position. So we all have to understand the education is the power, the education is the weapon where we can just change the world. So we have to changing this world by our tolerance, by our silence, but not everywhere, because sometimes what people understand, if we are silent, so somebody just take the advantage of that silence. Where the need, you have to break your silence. Where the need, you have to break your tolerance, because in that time the need is available. Okay, so the education is this thing we have to understand. This is all about by my side. Thank you for listening to me with patientful. Okay, thank